So I'm Tricky, and I'm the principal at Tricky Business. We're an interaction design company based in the UK, and we've recently been working on a Windows Phone 7 application. So this is the first in a series of very short videos where we're going to give you some insight into the project that we worked on, and also to just sort of convey some of our findings in terms of the challenges that face designers and developers from a sort of user experience perspective with regards to Windows Phone 7. So we've been really fortunate in that the first application that we've worked on, we worked with a company called Cortexica. And what Cortexica have done is built a really compelling visual search API. So they've got some really funky technology that means that when you take a picture with the camera on a Windows Phone 7, it actually sees objects in a very similar way to the human eye, which means that it's very good at recognizing things no matter what sort of surface they're on. So for instance, if it's a wine bottle, we can take a picture of a label on a wine bottle, and their system is very good at sort of recognizing the information and identifying the information that's on that wine bottle label. So we've worked with Cortexica to create a simple piece of software which identifies logos, and instantly this software is going to be available on Marketplace, and also all the source code is going to be available on Codeplex, so look out for that. It's effectively an open source project, and the idea is to encourage developers to work with Cortexica and their API and build some really cool applications. So let me just run through very quickly the demo. This is a video that we captured just before the demo is completely finished, so it's like a very early version of the app. But just to show you how it works, this is a Windows Phone 7 device, and we simply sort of go into the home screen and then access the camera. Using the camera on the device, we can then quite quickly and easily take a picture of a logo. This then sends information off up into the cloud, and they'll probably be using some kind of Azure system so that they can scale easily. And once this information has gone off to the cloud, this picture can now be matched with information relative to that logo and return search results via Bing.